Welcome to the best tips for programmers, whether you are a beginner or an experienced coder. These programming insights will take your programming skills to the next level. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Always remember that to stay curious and keep learning. Programming is an ever-evolving field, and staying curious allows you to explore new technologies and expand your knowledge. Build a storage foundation by mastering programming fundamentals. Understanding key concepts like variables, loops, and functions will enable you to tackle complex problems with ease. Define your goals and break them down into manageable steps. Setting clear objectives help you stay focused and motivate throughout your programming journey. Explore and utilize the latest tools and technologies from integrated development environment, that is IDE, to code editor and versions control system. Effective tools can simplify, enhance your productivity. Dedicate time to practice coding on a consistent basis. Like any skill, programming requires practice to improve. Regular coding exercise and project will sharpen your abilities and also sharpen your mind. Develop effective debugging techniques. Bugs are inevitable in programming, but with strong debugging skills, you can identify and fix issues effectively, saving time and frustration also. Engage with other programmers and join communities. Collaboration fosters creativity and expose you to different perspectives. Networking can lead you a valuable opportunity and insist. Always stay updated. Keep up with the industrial trends and advancements. Subscribe to programming blogs. Follow influential developers on social media and attend conferences and stay ahead of the curve. Remember that document your code and make it readable. Clear documentation enables easier collaboration and helps you understand your own code when revisiting projects in the future. Learn to prioritize your tasks and manage your time effectively. Break down projects into smaller tasks, set deadlines, and use productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique to maximize your productivity. Sharpen your program solving abilities. Programming is all about finding solutions to challenges. Practice breaking down programs, identifying patterns, and approaching them systematically. Remember that always continuous learning, lifelong learning, and stay open to new ideas. The programmer's landscape is dynamic and continuously learning ensures you to stay relevant and adaptable. Engage in personal projects to expand your skills. Side projects allow you to explore new technologies, experiment, and showcase your creativity outside the regular working or studying. Always remember that to take breaks and avoid burnout. Programming can be intense, so recharge your mind and body regularly to maintain focus and overall well-being. This tip will help you to become a better programmer. Remember to stay curious, patient regularly, collaborate with others, and always continuous learning. By incorporating those tips into your programming journey, you will unlock new level of success. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in another video. Thank you.